here's a tip for you. I was sewing on the Bernina 560 a while ago. So I turned the machine on and I noticed that my eye is yellow. That means something is on in the settings area. So I am reminded that the last thing that I did, and granted, I don't remember what I was doing, but look what is highlighted yellow. It is this foot pressure adjustment. Now that's the one that's right here on the side of the machine. So this is not something that I can just clear and that yellow will go away. Even when I touch it, it's not one I can actually change with the settings. This is a manual adjustment. So I must have been wanting the fabric to not, or the foot not to be squishing the fabric so much, and I had adjusted it. And this machine reminded me, because of that yellow eye, that that was still being remembered. So here's what I'm going to do, is I'm going to go ahead and return it back to its normal setting. The normal setting is up around 47. You'll notice that when I get up above 40 here, that the box doesn't turn yellow anymore. So I know I'm in that kind of default range, but I'm going to go ahead. The machine default is 47. And now look, now that eye is no longer yellow because I don't have anything on in this area. And now I can go ahead. Now I turned the knobs earlier, so the stitch length went to 2.65. And I knew that because it is now yellow. So with a push of a clear button, I am kind of back to the default settings for the machine. So settings for all the straight stitch that I'm on are all normal, plus the pressure is also back in its normal range. So keep an eye on things that turn yellow, and those are things that you have changed, and if you want to change them back, go ahead and reset them.